I attend here so that I am the most interested person to ferret out the truth, which you're so far from seeking, Your Honor.
Which so far you have avoided. Do not tell me you're here. You have
I
avoided.
have not avoided. Your last hearing was October 4, Your Honor.
You want to debate with me? I'm just telling you.
In September
Is
11,
it not true that you avoided it?
in September 11, when we had the meeting, I told you in our meeting, dyan sa baba, September 11, that I will continue to answer all your questions in affidavit form. Until today, after 5 months, not a single question pinadala mo sa akin.
And who are
If
you?
you're interested about the truth, you have asked me those questions, I will always answer them in affidavit. And you've been telling the public that
Silent
I do
alarm.
not want to participate.
Sergeant Orly Gutesa. Matanong ko lang si Orly, may baril ka ba?
Yes, Your Honor, may service firearms po ako.
Meron ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
May permit to carry yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. So you can defend yourself pag merong interesado sa buhay mo.
Yes, Your Honor, at hindi ko na kailangan yung witness protection, Your Honor. Kaya ko sarili ko.
Oh, yan ang Marines.
Mga tropa naman ako na kayang dumipisa sa akin, Your Honor.